All right, we're about to make the ultimate Bloody Mary. It was one of those days that I just wanted a Bloody Mary, so I said, why not? We need a glass, and I like mine spicy. I think the key to any Bloody Mary is flavor. So I like a nice little squirt of it in there, enough so that you know you're drinking something that has flavor. We are going to use some Worcestershire sauce. Give it a nice base. Remember, making a drink is not science. You don't have to use exact measurements. It's basically on you. You're the bartender. The only key to a cocktail is to have alcohol and a mixer in it, right? Use some celery salt. You can also coat the glass if you want to. Use a lime and then stick it in some celery salt to get the flavor of the celery salt if you're going to drink out of the glass. If you're using a straw, who really cares? Like a couple of dashes of that. You can use some olive juice, which we're running low on, so we'll take the olives too. And a little bit of the juice, whatever's left. And now we've got some pickles here, so we're gonna use a splash of pickle juice. Just enough to add a little zest to it, because you want to add some flavor to it. I think the key to drinking, nobody likes the taste of liquor, so you need to spice it up a little bit. We're also gonna do something special. We're gonna make it a Bloody Maria, sort of, by using a splash of Cuervo in there. Just enough to, because Cuervo has a bunch of flavors in it. Has a lot of ingredients which add a nice little concoction or a mixture to your Bloody Maria. And this is a new vodka, and I don't know how it is, so I'm not gonna drop the name of it yet. And you can do roughly about a shot and a half. Usually do about a third of a glass, and that's a pretty good amount. Add some ice. And now, I like Clamato. You can use any type of tomato juice you want, but Clamato has a clam taste, so kind of a fan of it. Has a bunch of herbs and flavors in there, so it's pretty good. And that should be a delicious Bloody Mary. But we're gonna give it a quick mixing rather, to make sure all the ingredients are good and mixed. And let's see. That's delicious. You could also put a little bit of lime or lemon in there if you wanted to give it a little bit more zest, but I think it's perfect the way it is. Garnish with whatever you want. I've seen people add, celery stalks or even a turkey like before. It's pretty crazy. I work a lot of Renaissance fairs. Welcome to Magic and Martinis.